Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an old friend you had lost touch with and got in contact with again. You should say who he or she is, how you knew each other, why you lost contact, how you got in contact again, and how you felt after getting in contact again. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am a sociable person and love to interact and maintain good relationships with people whom I know, including my friends and relatives. And today, I would like to talk about my friend Ria, with whom I got in touch again. So, sociable means one who likes to talk to others. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that me and Ria studied together in high school, after which she went to Canada for a further education, whereas I pursued my postgraduate education in my country itself. So, pursue means to continue. Although I was initially in contact with her, I completely lost touch after I lost my phone and had no way to retrieve my phone contacts. So, retrieve means to find or to bring back. Additionally, she was also not on any social media platform and hence it was difficult to resume communication with her. So, resume means to start again. However, a couple of months ago, we coincidentally met in a wedding function which she also attended as she was in India for a vacation at that time. So, coincidentally met means to meet by chance. Furthermore, it was my cousin brother's marriage and she was representing the bride's side, and we happened to bump into each other at the grand occasion. So, bride's side means she was from the girl's side. So, bump into each other means to meet someone by chance, a meeting that is not planned. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I felt on cloud nine as I met her after a gap of almost half a decade, and we caught up on things that happened during this time, and also cherished our school memories and spent great time together at the party. So we have used an idiom here which is felt on cloud nine, which means to be very happy. Half a decade means 5 years. A decade comprises of 10 years, so half a decade means 5 years. Cherished means to remember. More importantly, we also exchanged our contact numbers so that we could stay connected even after she leaves the country. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.